up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It has been a minute since we've been in this storage unit. Today's gonna be a fun one. I bought a bag of video games and a trash bag full of DVDs off Craigslist. Yes, it's literally a trash bag full of DVDs. And yes, this is how they were given to me. What are you gonna do? The price was right.
The price is wrong, bitch.
We paid 80 bucks. I have no idea what is in these boxes. So today's video, I know it's 298 DVDs and 20 video games. Now, I did see the video games, right? Because I'm not just gonna buy these things randomly, because what if it's 20 copies of Madden 2000? We all know they're not worth anything. But the DVDs, I have no clue. I spent 80 cold, hard-earned dollars of my own money. We're gonna get all this scanned up. I'm gonna set everything up, right? Like, this is not how we operate in the bulk universe. So you guys are gonna see my layout. I'll show you guys each item, whether it's going to Amazon, whether it's gonna stay here, whether I'm gonna send it to one of you lucky viewers that's gonna get probably your 30th copy of the 40-year-old virgin free on DVD. Anyways, if you're interested in making money on Amazon or making more money on Amazon, join the YouTube channel, $2.99 a month. Weekly live calls, you can get all your questions answered, private Discord, and lifetime discount on GoToList. They're the best damn listing software on the planet. I'm shutting up. When I come back, everything's gonna be set up. We'll jump into these DVDs and video games. Let's go. All right, we ain't wasting no time. We're jumping right into this. I got everything stacked, barcode up. That is going to be the easiest way. You guys will see the screen as we go. We're gonna get the video games out of the way first. So when I send this in, says $8.99. I am not buy box eligible in video games. I am not sending that in. 78 cents farming simulator, not sending that in. Lose money on FIFA 16. Sports games are garbage for the most part. The Sims. This is a weird one. The sales score says 1. I might send this in. If I do, it's only going to be like probably 10 bucks, but I'm probably not going to. Not found. Monster Energy Supercross. This might be one I got to face scan, but it seems like. We Happy Few, not worth it. Professional Farmer. RBI 20. These are all no goods. Battlefield Hardline. Assassin's Creed Revelations. All right, we'd send this one in. Sales score 84. We make 4 bucks. Crash Bandicoot. I remember playing these as a kid. We're gonna have to be the lowest FBA. We'll make $10. Fallout 3 Game of the Year Edition. We'll make 4 bucks. Now remember, if you're in a thrift store, you're not buying this, right? Because these games are probably $3 or $4. $5. UFC 3. We'll send that in. Plants vs. Zombies. We'll send that in. Probably be $4 or $5. Black Ops 4, I think. Call of Duty. We'll send this in. You make around like $4. Got so many loud trucks today. Civilization 6. $8. Injustice 2. $7. I mean, we're doing pretty decent here. $5.72 for Golf PGA Tour 2K21. Last video game, tennis, $6 profit. So out of the games, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 we're sending, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 we are not. So not too bad. And we got the one we got to manually look up. So, I mean, we're already making some money back. Probably close to making it back. And I did see this. I'm gonna get this out the way just so all the naysayers are like, you're probably not gonna make any money. I don't know if it is worth it, but the complete series of The Office, they're all here, all the discs are here. I basically paid 20 cents a piece. So I mean, it is what it is. This should be worth it. I don't know. I mean, there's so many Office TV series DVDs out there, but let's see. $29, probably be a little less, probably closer to $25, and this will sell the second it gets checked in. Between the Office and our video games, I'm pretty sure we're free and clear of our 80 bucks. Now we got to deal with the junk. The absolute junk. Queens of Scream. This is a multi-pack. A lot of these don't scan. You see it's not found. We're going to put that in the cover scan pile. Another not found? Patrick Swayze, The Beast, the complete series? Come on. Cover scan pile. Ooh, X-Files. 14 bucks profit. The truth is still out there. Disc 1, 2, 3, they are all there, right? I didn't check these prior to buying them, so we're definitely in the profit now. Let's keep going. Now you're just gonna have a bunch of junk, right? Aviator, Titanic, all these Leonardo DiCaprio movies. Fools Rush In. Friends. Okay, I give you guys a little life lesson here. There is no used FBA. Say if we send this in at $9.99, you make about $3. So being no used FBA, the new buy box is $12. I think you could sell this at $10, honestly, and make $3. I know it's not exciting, but it boosts your account health score, more sell-through. Amazon likes people that sell their stuff, not store it like you. Yeah, you. Why don't you reprice your stuff down? Why are you greedy? I don't know. That's why Amazon doesn't like you, and they love me. The Office, Season 1, not worth it. Dr. Dolittle, Tale to the Chief, and the good old Blockbuster case. Yeah, I have no idea. I remember, who was Dr. Dolittle? Was it Eddie Murphy? I'm probably wrong. I remember Dr. Dolittle, and I'm pretty sure it was Eddie Murphy. This is not Eddie Murphy. Not scanning. 51st Dates, I know that one's not worth it. We're the Millers, not worth it. Jumanji, you can make $2.19. The new buy box is $9.99. This is one I wouldn't be mad at you, especially if you're trying to get the buy box. It's not terrible, but it's not exciting. Something like this you could send. I think we had another one like that too. What was it, 51st Dates? Yeah, the new buy box being a $13.07 on this one, like, yeah, there's low offers, but you possibly could send that in too, and I wouldn't yell. Some Jean-Claude Van Damme double feature, not worth it. The Jeff Foxworthy show, barcode's covered up. The trick to that is you just pop the back plastic and then you can easily scan it. I wasted my time with that one. Good rule of thumb, you buy in bulk, you get these DVDs that got like the little swingers on the inside. Save these if they're duds, or when you come across one that's profitable and you need to swap out cases. Lost in Translation, dud. King of Queens, no barcode, no slip cover, dud. Devil's Wear Prada, I know that one's a dud. Matrix, dud. Stuck on You, dud. Talladega Nights, dud. The Bourne Identity, dud. Ghost of Girlfriend's Past, dud. Mission to Mars, dud. Tower Heist, dud. Alright, we'll send this one in. It's a Mad, Mad World. The giveaway, if you see this one, is the MGM on the side. You're always going to want to take a second look at those. We'll make $3. This thing will sell instantly as well. You see the sales score is 132. Another one you're definitely going to send in, and you're not going to price it down there with all the suckers. 28 days, 28 weeks later with the new film coming out, these are super hot. So we'll price this up probably closer to like 15 bucks. We'll probably make $6 or $7 on that. J. Edgar, dud. The Exorcism of Emily Rose. X-Men The Last Stand. I don't know why I scanned that twice. Species. See, this is one you don't want to send at the $9.99 mark with a sales score of only 10. Random Case, What's Inside? Jurassic Park, good movie. Casino Royale, dud. Legally Blonde. Soccer Mom, dud. Sin City's a dud. Prairie Home Companion, dud. American Pie, you know that's a dud. Spider-Man. American Hustle. Blended. Crash. Bedazzled. This is one of those ones you possibly could send if you were feeling a little spicy, right? 169 sales score. Sells every day. There's 25 used FBA offers. So the argument I make is supply and demand. Eventually, the supply is going to run out for the demand. So the new buy box is $15.20. This is one you probably could send in at $9.99, make $3 when it sells. Quick Change starring Bill Murray, Gina Davis, Randy Quaid. No used FBA here, so technically you could do like an $8.99er and make like $2. It's up to you, honestly. I'll send it in because I want to boost my account health rating, because I know Amazon appreciates sell-through on the accounts. My super ex-girlfriend, I don't even know why I'm doing this to scan this. I'm pretty sure it's a dud. Or not even found, that's even better. The Shallows, the ultimate space experience, the Cooler. Like I said, I didn't see any of these prior, right? So I'm literally flying blind. I have no idea what was in the trash bag. Believe it or not, The Office was actually in the trash bag, the complete series. So you never know what you're going to get from places like Craigslist or Facebook. But you got to diversify, right? You can't just be involved in the thrift store only. Monk sucks. Complete first season. These slim case ones, I don't mess around with. They're literally just, I just consider them all duds in my mind. Hot Pursuit, dud. Bodyguard. This is a weird looking one. Never sold. The Invisible, dud. Red, Bruce Willis, Morgan Freeman, John Malkovich. I wouldn't send this at $9.79. Sell-through's not good enough for me. Tin Cup, nope. Control, nope. It's another little stupid one. I hate when there's marker over the barcodes. The Score, I'm pretty sure that's a dud. If not, so be it. Stealing Harvard, dud. King of California, no. Running Scared, Paul Walker, rest in peace. Bootleg of The Equalizer. Growing up in Philly, there always used to be guys that sell bootlegs. They usually always come in these slim cases. And it's usually always just a blank white disc with the crappy artwork printed on the front. So don't ever send this stuff in. You'll get banned, and then you'll be crying that, you know, you got banned for no reason when you're sending in bootlegs. All right, I'm going to start rapid firing and see if we can find anything that's profitable. We'll send this one in, The X-Files. Just because at $9.99 we still make $3. Sales score 114. Another one we'll send in, Walt Disney's Treasure Plan at $9.76. We make a little bit under $3, but it'll sell right away. Dodgeball sucks. Click sucks. Friends, or no wait, Big Bang Theory. We'll send this in. You make $3. The Fifth Element, weird movie. Popeye's Voyage. Not worth it. Love Actually, no. No. The fun part is you got to figure out what you're going to do with all the duds. Thomas, dud. The Streets of San Francisco, Season 1, Volume 2, with a young Michael Douglas. Didn't scan because there's a generic barcode. This will be a cover scan for sure. Another Big Bang Theory. This one is not worth it. Happy Gilmore. With the new Happy Gilmore coming out, you think that one might go up, but we ain't playing that game of waiting around. The Alien Files. So, they told me to sell DVDs. Yeah, I can't sell any of them, Mike, because none of them are worth it. Jeff Bridges is Tucker, the man and his dream. $6.44 profit. Why did I start stacking stuff in the good pile? All right, we're about halfway through this, and we've gotten, what, eight profitable DVDs so far? I mean, it is what it is, right? Then we can come back and scan all these for buyback as well. So there's definitely that to it. Another way you can get some money back out of these. The A-Team Season 1, no slipcase. It is all here. I don't like to mess around with stuff that doesn't have like at least the initial barcode on it, so I don't even bother. RoboCop. Bootleg. We're rocking and rolling now. At first sight, you think this might be worth it. It is not worth it. So many junky DVDs. This is why you stack them barcode up, and why I'm keeping them barcode up is when I come back and scan for buyback, all I got to do is just hold the camera over the DVDs and quickly scan them into sell back your book. So, all right, I'm going to scan the rest of these. This video is not that exciting, so I'm not going to put you through it. I will come back and I'll show you guys what we got from this side of the table, if any, and a quick little wrap up. So I'll see you guys, and for you it'll be like snap, right? Maybe I can have my editor, next time I snap my fingers on the count of 3, he can like magically, automatically transform this video to where it's gonna pick up. It's gonna take me like 10 hours to do this, but it'll take you in 1 second. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, out of the cover scans, we got the double Get Smart Yes Man Blu-ray, make like $5. What you're seeing is the Faculty DVD, no use buy box. So we'll probably put this in like $12.99, make like $5. Some other ones that I got, make $3. Jason Statham, 6 movies. Freddy Got Fingered will be a $9.99er. We'll make, you know, $3.20. Stomp the Yard, another $9.99, $3.20. Celtic Pride, the 6-Man and the Associate, $7.78. This Means War Blu-ray, no used FBA, will probably do $14.99, make like $7, $8. $9.99, $3.20 for Teen Witch and the Heavenly Kid. You probably can get greedier on this one. You probably could do like $12.99. And then the last one we got while you were away, $6.85 in profit. The Lost City, Sandra Bullock, Jason Channing Tatum, not Jason Tatum. I'm pretty sure that's a basketball player. That is everything. So out of the trash bag, into the fire, everything we got is right here in this stack. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stacks, 1 stack. It's less than 10%. Now I gotta try to sell these to you. Anybody interested in buying Gaylords of DVDs? I swear they're not scanned. I swear I work with the thrift store, right? The thrift store gives me these. I don't look at them. I swear to you, I don't scan these. I don't even, I'm in the stores like this. I just say, hey, these are not picked over. Just give me your money. It's A-okay, right? And then when the camera isn't on, I scan them, right? And then I leave like a few in there, right? I leave like a few profitable ones in there. Maybe I put a $1 bill inside of one so you're excited, and you do all the work for none of the money. Happens every day. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more of these book videos. Bye-bye.